Hello, Joe here from Infiniti of Tacoma. Today I'm going to tell you about this beautiful 2017 Infiniti Q50 all-wheel drive that we have for sale. Very nicely equipped with features. It's a local clean Carfax vehicle. We do have a complimentary Carfax report. Lots of maintenance history at our store. All that information is in the Carfax report as well. Nice color combination, white on black, and it has some nice extras on it. It has a kind of performance exhaust, aftermarket wheel and tire package. It has some ground effects as well, which I'll show you as we move towards the outside, or you might be able to see some on some of these pictures that are popping up in the video just to get an idea. We'll focus a little bit more on those modifications shortly. I'm going to start showing you the original build sheet on this one, 2017 Q50 3.0 Premium All-Wheel Drive. Not all vehicles are created equal. Options differ, so it's always good to look at the fine print to make sure you're comparing apples to apples. For instance, this had a base MSRP of $42,650, but when you add in all the equipment, it goes all the way up to $48,535. Some of the big ticket features include the driver's assistance package. That was $2,150, giving you blind spot warning, predictive forward collision warning, so it actually can not just see what's going on in the car in front of you, but it actually can see what's going on in front of the car that's in front of you. And basically the way it does that is it bounces the radar off the bottom of the road, so it has, you know, forward facing radar, so it can see what's going on in front of the car in front of you. So if the car in front of the car that's in front of you hits its brakes, the emergency braking can hit the brakes before you even know what's going on. So really a cool system. Then we have so we had the predictive forward emergency braking, emergency braking, front and rear parking sensors, and a round view monitor with moving object detection, backup collision intervention with rear cross traffic alert. Then we have the Premium Plus package. That was $1,650, giving you navigation, heated seats, heated steering wheel, a remote engine start, power tilt telescoping steering column with memory, dual occupant memory for driver's seat mirrors, steering column settings, auto dimming exterior mirrors, and a 60/40 split folding rear seat. Illuminated kick plates was $465. This beautiful shade of majestic white was a $500 premium color. And of course, we can print you out a copy, or you can email you one if you want to take a look over it. Take a look at. Can't talk to you if you want to take it. Take a look over it yourself. There we go. Oh man, I don't know what's going on with me today. So a really nice color combination, very nice condition inside and out. We have a drive mode selector here that will make changes to transmission shift points, throttle sensitivity, traction, stability control settings. As I mentioned, it has navigation, rear parking camera, as well as a 360-degree around view monitor. You can change views. The bottom screen is a tablet-like interface for vehicle settings and apps. You can access the drive mode selector here, or you can access it here. You can drill down a little bit deeper here. Sport, Eco, Standard, and Snow for the engine and transmission. Steering will be Sport and Standard. Active trace control will brake individual wheels to help you rotate through the corners a little bit better. You can shut that system on or off. This one has 59,339 miles. Bose sound system. If you like music, you'll definitely appreciate that amazing Bose performance audio system. Looks great in white, and white is just an easy color to take care of. Surface imperfections, scratches don't seem to show nearly quite as much on a white car versus a dark car like black. Nice aftermarket wheel and tire package. As you can see, we have a little bit of a ground effects package on the front bumper. A twin turbo V6 pumping out 300 horsepower. This is a new engine for 2016, replacing the aging 3.7 liter V6. You have two small turbos, direct injection, making 300 horsepower and close to 300 pound-feet of torque. It's a very, very quick vehicle. Adaptive xenon lights give you outstanding nighttime visibility. We also have tinted windows. This one has been serviced and checked by our techs. The brakes are good, the tires are good. All it needs now is a new home. And who better to buy a pruned Infiniti from than a new Infiniti retailer like us. Also has a aftermarket exhaust on it. I'll rev it a little bit just so you can hear how that exhaust system sounds. It's not too loud, but a little bit louder than stock. This Q50 also features intelligent all-wheel drive. Rear-wheel drive is standard, intelligent all-wheel drive is optional. It's a race-inspired all-wheel drive system, originally derived from an early version of the Nissan Skyline GTR. It's called a TASA. It stands for Advanced Total Traction Engineering System for All-Terrain. So basically, under normal driving conditions, it will be 100% rear-wheel drive, but it can send up to 50% of the vehicle's power to the front wheels as needed. The reason why they do that is it gives it the feel of a rear-wheel drive sports car, but if the all-wheel drive system's constantly going all the time, even when you don't need it, that's going to chew through your tires faster, and it's going to reduce your gas mileage. So that's why it has that rear-wheel drive bias. It has a really cool electromagnetic differential that activates the all-wheel drive, so it can actually send all-wheel drive to the front wheels very quickly in a matter of milliseconds, pretty much almost instantly. So one of the most advanced all-wheel drive systems on the market. Does great in the wet slippery weather we have here in the Pacific Northwest. And the all-wheel drive system will also improve your performance as well. For instance, you can get on the power in corners a little bit earlier with the intelligent all-wheel drive, and that all-wheel drive system will pull you through those corners. Really a fun car to drive. It's also very luxurious and comfortable. Looks beautiful. Come in, take it for a spin, and contact us with any questions. Thanks for watching this video, and hope to see you soon.